As we eagerly anticipate the new school year at Warsaw Montessori School, our dedicated teachers are gearing up for an exciting journey ahead. In their relentless pursuit of excellence, our educators have been diligently engaged in comprehensive health and safety training sessions. From understanding essential protocols to practicing fire drills, they're committed to ensuring a secure environment for our students. But that's not all. Our teachers are also embracing the responsibility of being well equipped for any situation. They've been honing their skills in basic life support, gaining the knowledge and confidence to handle unforeseen circumstances with utmost care. Amidst this preparation, our educators are also hard at work, curating materials that will spark curiosity and foster engagement in the minds of our young learners. Their dedication to creating a stimulating learning environment is truly commendable. The Montessori classroom is referred to as the prepared environment. It is a meaningful, structured learning space where everything has a purpose and a place. There are generally 6 aspects or principles to the prepared environment: freedom, structure and order, beauty, nature and reality, social environment, and intellectual environment. The first aim of the prepared environment is, as far as it is possible, to render the growing child independent of the adult. The prepared environment is one of the foundations of the Montessori philosophy. At Warsaw Montessori School, our teachers' commitment to continuous learning and their heartfelt dedication to each child's growth exemplify the foundation of our educational philosophy. As we embark on this new chapter, we invite you to join us in celebrating their efforts and the promise of a vibrant year ahead. The excitement mounts as we approach the open house on the 1st of September. With hearts brimming with enthusiasm, our teachers eagerly await the opportunity to welcome you and your children into our Montessori community. The open house promises a glimpse into the warmth, creativity, and educational excellence that await your child in the coming year. We welcome you all for the Warsaw Montessori School Open House at Solejeru 4 on Friday, September 1st, 2023.